Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have a watch unboxing here. The shipping box was pretty big, so I just took this out. Haven't looked at it yet. I have seen a video from WatchWit. This actually came from him. It's on loan from Ugly Watch Company, so appreciate them sending it over. This is a GMT. Probably one of the only Pepsi GMTs I could afford. I wanted a Rolex Pepsi GMT for a long time, but probably will be out of reach for foreseeable future. But anyway, let's take a look at this. This has the Seiko Instrument NH34 movement, 4R34, whatever the branding is for non-Seiko watches. See, it doesn't say on the back here. 10 ATM, water resistant, all stainless steel, sapphire crystal glass. So let's get this plastic off here. There we go. Hopefully I don't lose that piece of plastic. I can put it on when I ship it back out. So I think this is a prototype, but I'll figure out more about that. Here's the case that it came with. Just a nice little fabric case. Yeah, cool watch. Case is pretty thick, actually. Kind of a little chunkier than what I prefer, but I know some folks like a little bit beefier watches, so always a watch out there for someone's preference. Solid end links, solid links. Looks like it's held in place with screw pins. Pretty basic stamped clasp here. Milled. This portion is milled in the middle. That portion is milled. This portion looks like it's stamped. Dual pushers. Then you have the fold over clasp there. Signed with Ugly Watch Company logo. And signed screw down crown as well. It's nice that the logo lines up with it's oriented in proper position. Not sure if they intended to do that or what. Let's see the bezel. So it is a fixed bezel, I guess. As you can see, it is bi-directional, but it's not even unidirectional. It's a fixed bezel. Interesting. Yeah, it's not moving, so. Alright, let me put it on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. Just a quick look. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out. Oh, that's a cool dial. It almost looks like it's mother of pearl or something. Or what's the other one? Mother of pearl, and there's some other kind of is it abalone? Some other kind of shell type material too. So I guess if the bezel doesn't rotate, then you're going to be tracking 2 time zones. See, so that's 12. Let's move it to 6. So the minute hand and GMT hand are both red. That's an interesting touch. Normally just the GMT hand would be red. So let's see here. I'm in the, so one way we'll change the GMT. So let's put that at 6. And I can't see the date, but okay, whatever. Let's move it back to 10:10. So this is an office GMT, meaning that if it was a traveler's GMT, then the local time hand would be a jump hour hand and jump around. But since it's the GMT hand that you're adjusting, that's called a an office GMT, not a traveler's GMT. So that would be if you're in your local time, you want to change this to whatever country you're calling to or communicating with, so that you know what their time zone is. So anyway, let's get this on wrist. Let's remove a few links to size it to my wrist size. I have a 6.5 inch wrist. I do not currently know the dimensions of this watch. Maybe 40 if I had to guess. So there you go, quick look. That will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.